While thousands of new cars and electric vehicles costing tens of thousands of dollars are being manufactured by various factories worldwide, a Chinese automaker called Leap Motors has unveiled a new electric car priced at just $8,000 in its home country. This car has now made its way into international markets, where interested buyers can potentially purchase one. Leap Motors, a Chinese company that first sold its vehicles in 2019, has since grown in prominence. Over time, the company gained backing from Stellantis, which acquired a 20% stake in Leap Motors. This partnership has provided Leap Motors with greater flexibility to experiment in markets where they previously lacked the resources and technology to fully compete. As a result, Leap Motors and Stellantis introduced the $8,000 electric car, the Leap Motors T03, a small city car with fast charging capabilities and an adequate driving range on a single charge. Although you don't expect impressive performance, premium interior materials, or cutting-edge technology at this price point, let's dive into the details of what the Leap Motors T03 offers for just $8,000. The Leap Motors T03 is a 5-door compact hatchback that is expanding into markets across Europe and other parts of the world. According to Leap Motors CEO, many automakers have shifted away from developing city cars for urban buyers, leaving a gap in the market that the Leap Motors T03 is designed to fill. The T03 features a stylish exterior with large LED headlights, each containing individual bulbs. The bonnet's opening line runs across the front, connecting the headlights for a unified design. As an electric vehicle, the front fascia is smooth, lacking a traditional grille. Instead, there is an opening at the center for the vehicle's charging port. To give the design a slightly aggressive look, Leap Motors has incorporated dark patterned elements on both sides of the car, along with larger air intakes designed to reduce drag during driving. As a compact city car, the T03 is equipped with 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels, surrounded by dark painted wheel arches. The side mirrors include integrated signal lights for added safety. The doors follow a conventional design, so there's no need to worry about overly modern or unfamiliar patterns. At the rear, the hatchback design is clearly visible. The rear windshield features a dark-colored roof cover, and the taillights are connected by the Leap Motors brand nameplate, giving it a sleek, cohesive look. In terms of size, the Leap Motors T03 measures 3,620 millimeters in length, 1,652 millimeters in width, 1,577 millimeters in height, and has a wheelbase of 2,400 millimeters. This compact 5-door, 4-seater vehicle is ideal for urban mobility. Inside, the T03 offers an impressive array of features for its price, aligning with the standard offerings of modern cars. Despite its affordability, the T03 manages to deliver practical and comfortable features suited for city driving. On both ends of the dashboard, you'll find air vents, while the round steering wheel is equipped with buttons for controlling calls and media. Behind the steering wheel is an 8-inch LCD instrument cluster that displays key information such as speed, driving range, and warning notifications. In the center of the dashboard are 2 additional air vents and a 10.1-inch central touchscreen infotainment system that offers features like maps, Bluetooth connectivity, calls, a reversing camera, vehicle settings, and more. The front part of the center console includes a dedicated spot for placing your phone, while the remaining portion houses the brake controls and other essential buttons. Both the front and rear windows are electrically operated, as are the side mirrors. The Leap Motors T03 seats up to 5 passengers, though for adult occupants, it comfortably accommodates 4 people with sufficient legroom and headroom. Leap Motors offers the T03 in 3 distinct trims. The most common variant is powered by a 36.5 kilowatt-hours high-performance lithium battery with a density of 171 Wallay/kick. When fully charged, it can drive up to 250 miles, 403 kilometers. Impressively, when connected to a fast charger, the battery can go from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes, which is faster compared to many other electric vehicles. The T03 is powered by a front-wheel drive single electric motor that generates 74 horsepower and 155 Newton-meters of torque. There's also another variant that produces 94 brake horsepower and 117 pound-feet of torque, driving the front wheels. This version accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 12.7 seconds. In addition to these variants, the top model is equipped with Level 2 autonomous driving technology, featuring 3 external cameras and 12 radars. This enables advanced features like lane departure warning, which alerts the driver if they unintentionally leave their lane, and lane keeping assistance, LKA, which provides light steering corrections to help keep the vehicle in its lane. In China and some other countries, you can buy the Leap Motors T03 for under $8,000. However, when Level 2 autonomous driving, a larger battery pack, and enhanced performance are added to the higher-end variants, the price increases to £15,995. With Leap Motors and Stellantis striving to reduce the cost of new vehicles and offer buyers a range of choices, this trend gives us hope that other automakers will follow suit by manufacturing and selling more affordable cars. One such example we eagerly anticipate is Tesla's potential move in this direction.